kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do decimals. Our learning objectives are introductions, like and unlike decimals, rounding off, approximations and operation on decimal numbers, multiplication and division of decimal numbers. So first is introductions. In previous class, you have learned about the decimal. You also learned that decimal fractions are the fractions with the denominator as 10, 100, 1000, etc. These fractions, when expressed in the decimal form, are known as decimal numbers or simply decimals. For example, 1234.4321 is a decimal number, where the number on the left of the decimal points are known as the whole number part. Means this part, left of the decimal, that is known as whole number part, and those after the decimal points are known as decimal part. Means 0.4321, that is the decimal part. Whole number part and decimal part contain the decimal point symbol between them. Place value of the decimal numbers. So here, unit means ones, tens, 100, 1000, like this, and after decimal, tens, hundreds, 1000. Tens means 1 by 10, hundredth means 1 upon 100, 1000 means 1 upon thousands, and so on. The number 1234.5678 can be written as, so पहले whole number part की लिखेंगे, so that is equals to 1 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 means 200 plus 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus, now decimal part, first digit after decimal, that is 5 into 1 by 10, then 6 into 1 upon 100, 7 into 1 upon 1000 plus 8 into 1 upon 10,000, and read as 1234.5678. Next is like and unlike decimals. Decimal number that have equal number of digits after the decimal points are called the like decimals, otherwise they are called unlike decimal. For example, 2.54, 3.29 and 200.62, they are like decimal because after decimal all are having 2 digits. Clear? Whereas 5.329, 200.4, 62.35 are unlike decimals. Clear? Next is converting unlike decimals to like decimal. Writing any number of zeros to the extreme right of the decimal part does not alter the value of the number. Means अगर हम extreme right पे कितने भी zero add करेंगे, their value will not change. For example, 42.39 is same as equals to 42.390, or we can add as many zero as we want, their value will not going to change. Hence, unlike decimals can be converted to like decimals by making the number of digit in the decimal part equal. This can be done by writing of zeros after decimal part or to the decimal number falling short of the digit of decimal part. For example, 42.39 and 59.734 are not direct decimal, because first one में after decimal there are 2 digit and here 3 digit. But 42.390, now we have added 1 0, so decimal के बाद कितनी होगी, 3 digits, and 59.734 are like decimals, and 42.39, that is equals to 42.390. Similarly, 219.7501 and 5.3, they are not like decimals, so convert करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, we will add 0. So after decimal there are 4 digits, so हम 30 और add कर देंगे तो इसमें भी decimal के बाद 4 digits हो जाएगी, so they are like decimals. Clear? Now comparing two decimal numbers. Step 1, compare the whole part of two decimal number. The decimal number with the greater whole part is the greater decimal number. Step 2, if the whole number part of the number are equal, compare the 10th place. You may need to convert unlike decimal to like decimal. The number with the greater 10 digit is greater. In case the 10 digits are also equal, Then we'll compare the 100 digits and so on. For example, 5.912 and 5.902 like decimal hai. So first we'll convert the whole number part. Both are having 5. So we'll compare the digit at 10th place. That is also same, 9 and 9. Then we'll move to 100 digit. Here it is 1 and here it is 0. 1 is greater than 0. So 5.912 will be greater than 5.902. Clear? Next is exercise 3.1. Convert the following decimal into like decimal. So 4.03, 4.0303, 0.4 and 0.04. So maximum 4 digit after the decimal. So first 4.03. There are 2 digits. So we'll put 2 more 0. Next one is 4.0303. Then 0.4, so we'll add 30 here. Clear? Next one is 0.04, so we'll add 2 more 0. Now we'll have converted them into like decimal. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next one is converting a fractions into decimals. Step 1. Divide the numerator by the denominator till the remainder is less than the divisor. Put the decimal point in the quotient and put the zeros on the right of the remainder. Keep dividing normally and keep putting 0 to the right of the remainder until the remainder is 0. We'll take an example. Convert the following fractions into decimal. 13 upon 4. So what we'll do? We'll divide 13 by 4. So 4 3s are 12. Subtract karenge we'll get 1. So now 1 cannot be divided by 4. So we'll put decimal in the quotient and add 1 0 here. So now 4 2s are 8. Subtract karenge we'll get 2. Now we'll put 1 more 0. We'll put as many zeros as we want until we get remainder as 0. So 20 minus 20, that is 0. So answer is 3.25. So 13 by 4 in decimal we can write it 3.25. Clear? Next is exercise 3.2. Convert the following decimal into simple fractions. First is 1.25. So 1.25. So what we'll do? We'll remove the decimal. After decimal there are 2 digits, 1 and 2. So after 1 we'll put 2 0. So 125 upon 100. Now we'll change into simplest form. So 5 and 4. So 5 by 4, that is our answer. Clear? Next is rounding off or approximations. To round off a decimal number to a certain digit after the decimal point, check the digit on the right of it. If the digit on the right is less than 5, then round off the number is the same number up to the required number of digit. Otherwise, round off numbers is up to required digit being increased by 1. For example, when 2.1532 is rounded off up to the decimal places, up to 2 digit after the decimal, it is equal to 2.15. As the next digit is 3, which is less than 5. Here, this digit, this is less than 5. So we'll round off and keep the numbers as it is. Value में कोई change नहीं होगा. Clear? 2.1632 is round off up to 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place करना है up to 1 digit after the decimal. That is equals to 2.2. Because the next digit is 6, which is more than 5. So 1 को हम क्या करेंगे? The value will get increased by 1. So that is equals to 2.2. We'll take an example. Round off 12.625 to the nearest hundreds. Clear? Now 12.625 round off nearest hundreds. So next digit is that is 5. If the digit is 5 or more than 5, so जो number है राउंड ऑफ क्योंकि क्या हो जाएगा, its value increase by 1, so that is equals to 12.63 because 100 की प्लेस पर जो डिजिट थी 100 की प्लेस पर that is 2 and the number right is 5, so that is equals to 12.63. Next is operation of the decimal numbers. First one is addition of decimal number. Step 1. Convert all the decimal number to like decimal. Write the numbers one below the other and the decimals point in one column and the digits before or after. Add the numbers normally putting the decimals point in the same place as the decimal column. We'll take an example. Add 4.532, 10.01 and 0.76 and 121. So on converting them to like decimals, पहले क्या करेंगे हम like decimal में convert करेंगे. You will get 4.532, 10.010, 0.760 and 121.000. Now we'll add them together. Start from the right hand side. 2, 3 plus 1, 4 and 6, 10. So write 0 here, 1 carry over. 7 plus 5 plus 1, that is equals to 13. Write 3 here, 1 carry over. 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is 6 and ये हो जाएगा 2 plus 1, 3 and 1. So that is equals to 136.302. Clear? Next is subtraction of decimal numbers. So step 1, convert all the decimal number into like decimal. So first हमारा step रहेगा उसको convert करना like decimal में. The arrangement is the same in case of addition except that you write the smaller number below the larger number. Clear? Step 3, subtract normally putting the decimal point on the same decimal column. Now we'll take an example. Rishabh, Namyar and Sanya ran respectively 2 km, 300 meter, 5 km, 125 meter and 1 km, 8 meter in 1 hour. What is the total distance travelled by all the three? So 2 km, 300 meter, that is equals to 2.300 km. 5 km, 125 meter, that is equals to 5.125 km and 1 km, 8 meter, that is equals to 1.008 km. Now to find the total distance, we'll add them, that is equals to 8.433 km. Clear? Next is exercise 3.3. Round off the following decimals to the respective place of decimal as indicated along with the numbers. First is 15.19. We have to round off to nearest tens. So the digit at tens place is 1 and the number right is 9. That is more than 5. So round off होके हो जाएगा 15.2. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is multiplication of decimal numbers. Step 1. Multiply the number without the decimal point as normal multiplication. Put the decimal point in the product such that the total number of digit after the decimal in the product is equal to the sum of the number of digit after the decimal point in the numbers. For example, multiply 14.325 with 2.147. So, firstly, we'll multiply simply 14,325 to 2,147. So, this is our answer. This is the product. Now, the number of digit after the decimal here 3 and 3, total 6. Clear? So, start from the right hand side. After 6 digit, we'll put the decimal. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, answer is 30.755775. Clear? Next is multiply decimal number with multiple of 10. Let us understand this with the help of example. When you multiply 23.569 with 400, you multiply 23,569 with 4. So 4 से multiply करेंगे तो product क्या आ जाएगा? 94,276. बट यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया? 23.569 multiply by 4, that is equals to 94.276. Now we have to multiply with 400. So what we'll do? There are 2 zeros. So the decimal point will shift 2 places to the right. Clear? Decimal point shifted 2 digits to the right for as many zeros in the multiple of 10. Clear? Next example है multiply 5.3296 by 51,000. So simply what we'll do? We'll multiply 5.3296 by 51. So the product is 271.8096. 51,000 से, so there are 3 zeros. So the decimal point will shift 3 places to the right. And answer is this. Clear? Next is exercise 3.4. Find the following product. 25.36 multiplied by 10. So 10 से multiply simply 25.36 को अगर 1 से multiply करेंगे, the product will be 25.36. Now हमें 10 से multiply करना है. There is 1 zero, so the decimal point will shift 1 place to the right. So answer is 153.6. Clear? That is our product. Next is division of decimal numbers. Dividing decimal number by whole number such as 10, 100,000, 10,000, etc. When dividing the decimal number by 10, 100,000, 10,000, etc., you shift the decimal to the left by as many digits as there are zeros in 10, 100,000, etc. Take an example. Divide the following: 32.19 divided by 10. So there is 1 zero. So the decimal point will shift it 1 place to the left. So answer is 3.219. Clear? Next is dividing the decimal number by a whole number. You can divide a decimal number by a whole number normally as the case of 2 whole numbers, but put the decimal point in the quotient when the division of the whole number part is complete. Keep on adding zeros to the remainder until the division is complete. For example, 4.9 divided by 2. One is a decimal number and other is a whole number. So 4.9 divided by 2, the whole part is 4 here. So 2 2s are 4, 2 times हो जाएगा. Then subtract and it will get 0. Next there is decimal, so we'll put the decimal in the quotient and note down the next number, that is 9. So 2 4s are 8. Subtract and it will get 1. Now we'll add 1 0, so it becomes 10. 2 5s are 10. So answer is 2.45. Clear? Next is exercise 3.5. Divide 56 by 10. So 10, there is 1 0. So answer हो जाएगा 5.6. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is let's recall. Multiple choice questions. Take the correct options. How can we express 2 km 300 meter in decimal point? So that is equals to 2.300 kilometer. 1000 से divide करेंगे. So A is the correct option here. Clear? So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.